Brendan Bailey with the MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. I want to show you a listing that I am excited to show you. It's a 2018 500 fly Galeon. It's not often that we get to show boats that have as much innovation as this boat does, especially here in the Dallas area. So we've got a lot to cover, so let's move quick. As we walk through the back of this boat, swim platform is hydraulic with the swim steps, or the step-up steps that lead you up into the cockpit. As the swim platform goes down, those fold out. Really nice area of the grill. We've seen this on the back of a lot of boats. Really a great spot for this to be, so you can serve back into the water or serve inside. Nice area back here that you can close off, use it as a bar top area to hang out. One thing that's really nice about the Galeon, again, is innovation. As I step into the cockpit, I can literally pull one lever up, and you'll notice this rear seat configuration will completely spin around. On a night like tonight where we're here, sunset, what a great spot to sit. There's a fireworks show going or people playing in the water. Really nice to have the option to spin that seating around so you're not just facing inside when you have a view like this, like we do here tonight. The tender garage is really a cool feature for this boat, a 50-foot boat, rotating rear seat, and they still figured out how to put a tender garage. Here inland we use this a lot for lily pads and water sport toys, life jackets. All of that can store inside the tender garage. We're going to step up into the cockpit now. You'll notice everywhere we walk, we're walking on natural teak. It's real teak all the way through the boat. A lot of your higher end yachts like Galeon and a lot of the other brands, they're always going to use a real teak throughout their boats. Again, innovation. You just saw me walk across a side platform that actually folds down. They call it the beach mode. Really expand your entertainment space. As you can see here, I'm actually sitting on this deck that's cantilevered over the water, sitting here at the bar. My mate can sit beside me and we can sit here, and looks like somebody had a Moscow Mule, but really cool innovation. Sliding door, sliding glass window will actually slide back, bar flips up, and you've got an indoor-outdoor bar right opened up into the galley. As we step back through the cockpit here, move into the starboard side, why have a sofa that just faces one way and that's inside when you can have it face both ways? Got the sliding glass door here, the ability to open this up, close it off. Again, everything works. You pull the button down and it flips back the other way, and now you've got a sofa facing out. And again, look at the view I've got. Instead of just facing in, now I'm facing out looking at that. Let's step up to the bow. Nice grab handle, nice wide walkway, grab handle all the way down, deck lighting, all LED. And again, the innovation never stops. Nice U-shaped seating with backrest that'll fold down and hide inside the bottom cushions. Look at your floor that you're sitting on. It's actually a glass floor. You can look down into the VIP suite. You've got privacy shades that'll close, but at night really sets the mood here in the front. And again, I can't get over the views that I've got sitting here at the very front of the boat. Just a whole other entertainment spot on this 50-foot yacht. Let's step up into the bridge. All right, here we are on the bridge of the 500 Fly. One of the things that I really like, and I've gotten great feedback from clients on, is it's nice when you're making a long run to be able to have your friends and kids and family sitting here forward of you as you captain the boat from the Flybridge. Nice, fully featured helm station up here, bow and stern thruster. The 500 Fly does have the D6 or the D11 Volvo Penta engines. Really a nice configuration. The boat runs very well, and I think you'll find you have all of the resources you need to captain and operate a yacht like this. Really cool feature that they added into this boat as well is this convertible U-shaped seating. If you can imagine having the captain sitting across from you, you can have a face-to-face conversation with them. Multiple people can sit here in this area And then once you're sitting still, you're on anchor, you want to be able to sit around the dining room table, take the backrest, and again, everything just works. Real easy to move the backrest cushion around. Now you've got seating here for 8 or 9 people all the way around this table. What a great entertainment spot. And on a night like tonight, we're in the mid-80s with a great breeze, sunshade over the top of us in the evening as well. I'm not sure you can ask for a better configuration. You've got the barbecue area up here. This particular boat has the ice maker as well as the sink, and then an area up here, just a workstation area as well. What do you say we step aboard and go inside? Beautiful evening to walk through the inside of this 500 flight Galeon. We've got all the windows open. The doors are wide open. We've really brought the outdoors in. And with a boat like this that converts so easily, I'm not sure you can ask for a better platform to entertain on. You'll notice now I've got the backrest set up to where this is an actual inside sofa facing in right now. This is a galley back design, nice U-shape. Galley countertops, lots of workspace throughout here. You got upper cabinets, lower cabinets, and refrigeration in both of these areas here. Lots of storage drawers, nice oven down low, stovetop, and a beautiful faucet as well. You'll notice that as you step through, you've got hardwood floors that continue right from the really rich, luxurious teak that's here. Now you're running straight into hardwood floors. One of the beauties of Galeon is you actually have both carpeted floors and hardwood floors. There's a full carpet package that goes in here if you do decide you want to have the carpet. As we step into the dinette lounge sofa area, what a great lounge area. You've got a huge seating area here, as well as these opposing area here on the starboard side, to where when you sit down, you can literally entertain 8 to 10 people right here. The table will drop down. There's a filler cushion that goes in to make this just a big lounge bed if everybody just wants to hang out, get the blankets out, and let's watch a night of TV, whatever you feel like you want to do. It's a great platform, and you'll notice that you're completely surrounded by glass. Nothing to interrupt your view outside. And right here is your TV that will actually come up when you want to watch TV. When you don't, it disappears, because you basically have a picture frame of artwork right through this window no matter where you're at. I'm going to turn the helm here. Again, more innovation. Why have a seat that's dedicated to a captain who's not going to be driving all the time? Flip it around, it's an entertainment seat. Flip it this way and you've got a nice helm seat. You'll notice the dual ray marine screens, the Axiom units, latest and greatest. You've got the bow and stern thruster on this vessel. Engines have 137 hours on them, so these things aren't even broken in yet. You have the opportunity to really save a lot of money while being able to get a like new Galeon 500 fly. So nice controls, Volvo Penta power, again D11 Volvo Pentas. It's got all the power you would ever need. Air conditioning. This does have a chilled air system, and really keeps this area cool. Even on a hot day, you still feel a lot of air flowing right now throughout the boat with all the windows open. So it's not a wasted platform having windows that open, because you've got an amazing air conditioning system in this boat. Let's step down into the living quarters and take a look at that. So we're going to check out the VIP suite forward on this boat. You're going to notice a very, very nice and luxurious, the beautiful artwork as the headboard. You've got 2 sconces there that light up that area. Your own climate control thermostat right next to the bed. A nice island bed with good entry off both sides. You don't have to climb over anybody. You can literally step down gradually. Lots of storage both above and below. You've got a lot of storage cabinets, and then as you look up at the ceiling, you'll notice a beautiful 4-panel ceiling with privacy curtains that'll close off to keep the light out and just give you the privacy. As we step into the VIP head, you'll notice this beautiful faucet, nice bowl style sink. Really a beautiful vanity that you would find in any high-end home or condo. You've got that here even in the VIP suite. And as you step into the shower area, you'll notice I'm 6'5", tons of room in here to move around. both these doors will close. Really gives you a nice area to move around as well. Let's step into the twin bunk room. So here's the twin bunks. Some people will use this as a storage area as well. If you want to pull the mattress out and put provisions in, you could. This particular owner has 2 kids, and it really makes a great area for them to have to hang out and sleep when they want to stay on board. The master suite, master stateroom. I'd be remiss not to point out the amazing woodwork that Galeon puts into their boats. I would say that it rivals a lot of your high-end custom yachts that are out there. The attention to detail, the inlays that they do, the hardware that they use, and you'll notice when you close the door, it's a solid feel. So let's step in here. We'll look at the head first. What a great setup. Again, a beautiful vanity with nice, modern, clean amenities throughout the entire galley. Some great mirrors up high. Nice glass divider. A lot of people like this shower because you've actually got a shelf you could sit on, like a seat, to where you could shave your legs, sit down. If you've got some rougher seas, you have the ability to sit down and still take a shower. And then look at the tile work that's here on the walls. Absolutely gorgeous in this area. And again, this is the master suite, so only the best for the master. Nice fixtures throughout. And then a great landing. I'm not sure you can find a better spot on a 50-foot yacht to have a full beam master with incredibly large, expansive windows to look out. If you could have seen this an hour ago, the water just runs straight out from the windows. An absolutely stunning area, but look at the amount of detail throughout the headboard of this boat. Absolutely amazing. You got beautiful sconces here on each side with reading lights that can be turned on and off easily by both people that are in the bed area. Lots of storage there up the side of the boat. A nice vanity area here, as well as a great workstation to be able to do whatever type of laptop work you want to do or computer work that you want to do while looking out a beautiful window like this. So I'm Brendan Bailey with the MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. We'd love to talk to you about this boat, get you on board off the hook, which is the 2018 Galeon 500 Fly. Give me a call again, 972-670-8211. We're 20 minutes from DFW, 20 minutes from Lewisville Airport here in Dallas-Fort Worth, and we'd love to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.